Hi there. It's a very, very special day for us. NDTV Hindu turned a year old on the 16th of May, and one of our hugely popular shows, Keys and Conversations, completed its first season of 13 episodes. So we thought, surely it's time to celebrate. Actually, Keys and Conversations started off as a TV show on NDTV Hindu. Every week, pianist and composer Anil Srinivasan and I would invite a musician to chat with us at Muse Musicals, and then Anil and that musician would improvise and perform on the spot. On the occasion of NDTV Hindu's first anniversary, we thought we'd do a Keys and Conversations ensemble concert for our friends, family and well-wishers. We chose the Taj Coromandel Ballroom, and on the morning of 2nd July 2010, this was the scene there. I can't stop raving about our fantastic crew, I tell you. See, this is the man who's been evading me all morning, Sajeev Chemania, channel producer, who's put this whole logistical challenge together. He's also very modest. Sajeev,
I've always been modest,
how many sleepless nights over this?
Not many though, just one.
What have you done? Tell us.
I haven't done anything yet.
Oh Lord, it's going to be difficult to get anything out of him. So, shall I catch someone else?
Yes, please do.
Tell us, the entire process. Once the idea was finalized and conceptualized, what did you do?
Yeah, once when we got to know how many people are going to perform, we started about doing the sets. We sat with a set designer, went a whole lot of recce, 3 days, 4 days, figuring out our lights, etc. It was quite an easy process. Since we've done a lot of events, quite an easy process. But this is also a new experience for us, doing with singers. It's been a good job.
NDTV Hindu's engineers are a very hard-working lot too. Men of few words, they insist on remaining behind the scenes. But I'm not about to let them. What would we do without our chief engineer Yuvraj and his very, very able team? So Yuvi, what kind of preparations are going on here at the audio console?
Yeah, since this is a music event, we are paying a lot of attention to the audio particularly. So we have got a lot of sophisticated equipment with us. So at the same time, we have a very strong team.
Yeah. So here we have Julius and we have Ram sir and then we have Prakash. Hi Chef, what are you giving us this evening for dinner?
For a grand evening like this with NDTV, I am really happy to be associated, and we are giving you a world theatre here to try out a variety of cuisines from Hawaii to Oriental to Indian and also Northwest frontier.
Are you going to be here in the evening to listen to the music, or will you be slaving away in the kitchen?
Well, you know what happens at the back, but I will try to make my time here to see what's happening on the stage.
I believe the piano has arrived from Muse Musicals in Anna Salai, so let's go take a look.
Piano stage la ponnuma illati indha kida corner la vechirumanga
illa stage la pottudalama, we'll put the piano on the stage. Mr. Venkateshwar Rao is part of the Keys and Conversations family because every week when we'd go to Museum Musicals for our TV shoot, he would be there tuning the piano for us. And he's been with Museum Musicals since 1955 and has worked with pretty much everyone in the industry. A.R. Rahman sir, Ilaiyaraaja sir. And today you're here to tune the piano for Anil.
I worked so many years, over 50 years. I am worked on the piano, but I am waiting for the pianist every time. But I won't say I am a great man. I want to satisfy every pianist satisfaction my work.
Okay.
I say I want big man, but I following with their satisfactions. That only thing.
Have you worked with Anil Srinivasan before?
Before I know him past 15 to 20 years. He's a student of Mrs. Abraham. That time too I know him. But very good piano, completely thorough pianist. Basically he's a good pianist in the Chennai city.
What did you think of that Keys and Conversations program that we used to do at Museum Musicals? Did you like it? You remember that program?
I am coming especially for NDTV program, tuning very nicely, and I like very much their shootings, and fully I am satisfied.
Stay tuned, the musicians will be arriving shortly for a tech rehearsal.